Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Ethics. So first of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day, and today we are going to talk about a very important news. In the Independence Day speech, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji told us a very important news. They told us that India is going to have a new cyber security policy soon.
बदलती हुई टेक्नोलॉजी में साइबर स्पेस ये हमारी निर्भरता बढ़ती ही जाने वाली है। लेकिन साइबर स्पेस में खतरे भी जुड़े हुए होते हैं। भली भांति दुनिया इससे परिचित है और इनसे देश के सामाजिक ताने बाने, हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था और हमारे देश के विकास पर भी खतरे पैदा करने का ये आसान मार्ग बन सकता है और इसलिए भारत इसमें बहुत सचेत है, भारत बहुत सतर्क है और इन खतरों का सामना करने के लिए फैसले ले रहा है। इतना ही नहीं, नई व्यवस्थाएं भी लगातार विकसित की जा रही है। बहुत ही अल्प समय में नई साइबर सुरक्षा रणनीति, इसका एक पूरा खाका देश के सामने आएगा। आने वाले समय में सब इकाइयों को जोड़ करके हम इस साइबर सिक्योरिटी के अंदर सबको एक साथ चलना पड़ेगा। उसके लिए आगे बढ़ने की रणनीति बनाएंगे।
So, as an Indian, what do you understand by this new cybersecurity policy? Why do you think India needs one? If you have all these questions in your mind, then this video is just for you. So, please watch it till the end and you'll get a lot of knowledge today. So, with that, let's get into the video. Now, I am here to tell you about the facts that you can recheck as well because they are all over the internet. These facts are regarding data breaches, malware attacks, etc. So first, let's talk about data breach. According to a study that India, there is a 37% increase in cyber attacks in 2020 as compared to in 2019. What we can infer from this is that as we are moving further, we are getting more number of cyber attacks. According to CSO, the biggest data breach occurred in May 2020 when Unacademy disclosed about a data breach that compromised 22 million user accounts. Yes, 22 million. The personal information like username, passwords, emails, etc. were sold at dark web. According to the annual study by IBM Security that was done over 500 companies, it is stated that the financial impact of data breach was around 140 million in 2020. That is 9.4% increase from 2019. As we have already learned about the data breach, let's try to understand what are the biggest causes of data breach in India. The first one is 53% of the breaches occur due to malicious attacks, 26% occur due to system glitches, and 21% occur due to human errors. So these are the three main reasons why we have data breaches in India. Now let's talk about the malware attacks. According to Sophos, 82% of Indian organizations were hit by ransomware in past 6 months. That is 15% increase from 2017. The organizations have to incur around 8.2 crores to rectify the impact of ransomware. If you want to know more about the ransomware, then please comment it down below so that I can create a new video on it and I can explain to you what ransomware or other malwares are all about. So what is the ranking of India in terms of cybersecurity in comparison to all the countries in the world? The answer is given to us by Comparatech. Comparatech created a list in which they gave ranking to 76 countries on a scale of 1 to 76, where 1 is the least secure and 76 is the most secure country. In that list, India ranked 15 in 2019 and it is at 18 in 2020. As we have seen that we have moved up, that means our security has become better, but we are still among the least secure countries in that list. If we talk about our neighbors, Pakistan was at 7 in 2019 and now it is at 8 in 2020. China was at 13 in 2019 and now it is at 23 in 2020. As we can see that China was below us in 2019, but in 2020 they have moved up. That means China's security has become a lot better. The motive of this video is not to scare you, but to aware you about the situation of India when it comes to cybersecurity. The motive of this channel is to aware as many people as possible so that we can make India among the most secure countries in the world. And we know that with this step that our Honorable Prime Minister has taken today, India would have a new cybersecurity policy and it is also going to be among the most secure countries. With that note, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it informative and you liked it, please hit that subscribe button and like this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.